Biological intelligence. The challenge of the modern era is not simply to create machines that mimic the brain, but to understand why the brain itself works so efficiently within the constraints of natural law. A neuron consumes microjoules of energy while performing calculations beyond the comprehension of current supercomputers. A forest processes data, light, moisture and soil chemistry through each leaf and root tip without producing waste heat or carbon emissions. Every living organism system is an energy processor designed by time itself. If we are to progress, we must learn from nature rather than merely attempting to control it. The goal of future science should not be domination of the environment, but integration, developing technologies that harmonize with the cycles of energy and time already perfected through evolution. When we look at corrosion, we see the inevitable return of refined matter to its natural state. When we observe decomposition, we see energy transferring, never lost, only changing form. These are not failures of material, but lessons in the secular nature of existence. Entropy balanced by renewal. In contrast, our artificial systems strive for permanence, static machines resisting decay. Yet, in resisting decay, they resist adaptation. Biological intelligence thrives because it is dynamic, responsive, and interconnected. It learns not from perfection, but from failure. We must begin to design systems that emulate this principle. Adaptive infrastructures that sense environmental changes and respond organically. Computational networks that evolve their own energy efficiency rather than consuming endlessly. Education models that encourage curiosity and iteration instead of rigid instruction. Only then can technology become a true extension of biological intelligence, not an imitation, but an evolution of it. As the expansion of the universe continues, so too does our opportunity to align with its rhythm. Energy is the thread, time is the loom, and intelligence, biological or artificial, is the pattern emerging in the fabric of existence. The next step is not to make machines more human, but to make humanity more aware that intelligence itself is the cosmos becoming conscious of its own energy.